Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fitri Wahyuni, NIM 2401033006. I'm from class 2D D3 Electrical Engineering. The difference between the countries that I took was the difference between India and China. Seen from the scale and infrastructure network, China has invested heavily in its electricity transmission and distribution infrastructure, resulting in greater overall energy supply stability. India facing greater infrastructure challenges. Its power grid is purely integrated and frequently experiences supply crises or power outages, with some power plants ever having extremely limited fuel stock at the time. In terms of network scale and electricity infrastructure, resulting in a more reliable and stable energy system. India, on the other hand, still needs substantial improvement in grid integration, infrastructure, investment, and energy management to achieve a similar level of efficiency and reliability. Next is the Polish market. Its electricity industry tends to be more centralized, well planned by the central government, which allow large-scale infrastructure projects to be implemented quickly. India also heavily relies on coal, which supplies about 70% of the electricity production. India plans to add significant coal capacity in the next few years to ensure energy security. In conclusion, China and India differ significantly in their electricity policy in market structural. China electricity sector is more centralized and strategies planned by the central government, enabling faster implementation of large-scale infrastructure projects and more coordinated development. The centralized approach contribution to greater efficiency and long-term stability in the power sector. Meanwhile, India electricity market is more dependent on coal, which still account for a large share of its power generation. In a way outlined. In short, China has a large power industry, more advanced infrastructure, and is faster at integrating renewable energy on a large scale, supported by centralized policy. In contrast, India still grapples with infrastructure challenges and remains heavily reliant on coal to meet its growing energy demand despite significant effort in renewable energy development. In conclusion, China and India show clear difference in the development of their power sector. China has a large and more advanced electricity industry supported by well-integrated infrastructure and strong central policy that enable rapid expansion and large-scale integration of renewable energy. This approach allows China the, to maintain a more stable and different energy system. On the other hand, India continues to face infrastructure challenges and remains heavily dependent on coal to meet its increasing energy demand. Although India has made significant progress in developing renewable energy, future improvement in infrastructure, policy coordination, and energy diversification are still needed to achieve long-term energy reliability and sustainability. The comparison between China and India highlights significant difference in their electricity sector development. China benefits from a large power industry, advanced and well-integrated infrastructure, and strong central government policy that enable rapid decision making and efficient implementation of large-scale energy projects. This factor allow China to integrate renewable energy on a large scale while maintaining a stable and reliable power supply. In contrast, India continues to face infrastructure limitation of coordination challenge with its power grid. The country remains heavily dependent on coal to meet its growing energy demand, even as it actively expands its renewable energy capacity. While India has made notable progress in clean energy development, improvement in grid integration, investment, and policy alignment are still required to ensure long-term energy security and sustainability. Overall, China's central and infrastructure focused efforts has resulted in a more resilient and efficient electricity system, where India is still in a traditional pace, balance energy security, economic growth, and the shift toward renewable energy sources. In contrast, India's electricity sector continues to face structural and infrastructural challenges. The power grid is the less integrated across regions, leading to inefficiencies in electricity distribution and frequent supply distribution in certain areas. India remains heavily reliant on coal to meet its rapidly growing energy demand, which provides short-term energy security but also creates long-term environmental and sustainability concerns. Although India has made significant progress in expanding renewable energy capacity, limitation in grid infrastructure, policy coordination, and investment slow down the full integration of clean energy into the national system. Overall, while both countries are pursuing in energy transition, China currently demonstrates are more mature and coordinated power sector supported by strong infrastructure and centralized police control. India, on the other hand, is in a development and traditional stage where continued investment in grid modernization, police reform, and energy diversification is essential to achieve a more reliable, sustainable, and efficient electricity system and in the future. Furthermore, China's long-term strategy planning allows it to balance economic growth, industrial demand, and environment goals more effectively. The strong coordination between police, infrastructure development, and technology innovation has strengthened the resilience and reliability of its electricity system. That's all for my experience in this video. Thank you for watching. See you and bye bye.